everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a quick reading for the sign of Libra. This is a peek into your December reading. We will just make it very quick, not very detailed. So this will also include end of November and the beginning of December, just to give us a sense of what's coming towards you in December. And I would like to thank all of you who have liked, shared, subscribed, commented on my channel. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. It helps me grow as a reader. It helps me post more videos for you. So please do subscribe, guys, and I'll truly appreciate that. And I'll be grateful. So yes, please do subscribe, and let's see what's coming towards you, Libra, in the month of December. That is end of November, beginning of December. Let's see. You've got the Nine of Swords, the Nine of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles. You've got the Nine of Cups. Wow, 3 nines already. Page of Pentacles and the Two of Pentacles. So Libra, I see that you are worried about something. You know, there's something that's stressing you out. Maybe it could be about your independence, your money, your career, your stability. But there's something that you are feeling very down about. And I think it's a lot of overthinking that's going on with you. And you're not able to see the brighter side. Like, your negative thinking is clouding your judgment about the reality. And the reality is that you're not going to stay in this place forever. The sun is coming up over here, but you're not paying attention to that because you're so, engulfed in that sadness or that pain or that worry that you're not seeing something good coming up for you here. But I think money looks very good for you in the month of December, because you've got the Nine of Pentacles, you've got the Ace of Pentacles. So this tells me that you feel very stable. Whatever this was, it's not going beyond this Nine of Swords. Okay, there is no Ten of Swords. You're just cutting all that worries, you're taking care of it. I think you're getting a grip of things, and you are reaching a place of stability and abundance where you can just sit back and relax, having a cup of wine, enjoying your money. So I think you are very soon getting a grip of things. You're not letting this go next level and reach the Ten of Swords, which is a good thing. There is something good coming towards you, some good news, some good offer coming towards you. Money-wise, career-wise, things look good for you. So there's also wish fulfillment. You've got Nine of Cups as well. So you have 3 nines here, 999. So you may want to check it up online to see what that means, those numbers, what significance it has in your life. But again, this is about wishes coming true, wish fulfillment. So you are, graduating. You're from being mentally upset or anxious about something. You're being in a place of stability, and then you have this hope where you know that things are coming into fruition for you emotionally as well as financially, which is a good thing. You are waiting for the Ten of Cups. You're already at the 9, and then there is this message again. You've got the Page of Pentacles. Again, some good news about stability, about money. So I think you are going to get a lot of offers in the month of December when it comes to your career and relationships, because I see you juggling a lot of things at the same time. You're not you look very busy. You look like you have a lot of options to deal with, and you're just busy handling everything at the same time, which is good. So let's see what this Nine of Swords is for you. Why does Libra have the Nine of Swords? Yeah, 4 of Cups and the Wheel of Fortune. So yeah, there's something here that you are very obsessed about. I feel that you are paying attention to something in particular. not being interested in any other opportunities in the process. But like I said, you're not seeing the sun coming up on the other side. And this is again telling me the same thing. You're so focused on something that's not working out that you're not seeing or looking at the things that are working out. So, I feel that there is a shift of perspective here because you got the Wheel of Fortune. So, yeah, you are changing your perspective, you're changing your outlook. There's something here which is turning in your favor. There's some good news coming in for you. So why is the Nine of Pentacles here for Libra? What is this Nine of Pentacles about? Seven of Wands and the Ten of Wands. Yeah, so there is something that is, being some kind of burden that you feel. Maybe this could be financial responsibilities or responsibilities at home, maybe, but you are standing very strong. You're not giving up on anything. You're defending your place, your position. I think this is more about you realizing that you deserve all the good that is coming towards you. You've got the Nine of Pentacles where you're very independent, you're very strong. You have this attitude of you don't really need anything or anybody to fulfill you. You are happy by yourself, and that's a very good attitude to have, and you're staying very strong on that. There could be people criticizing you for being, they may call you things because they are so envious of you, and you are putting it all away. You are staying strong. You know that you deserve whatever this good is coming towards you. You deserve every bit of it. You're letting go of all the burdens and the responsibilities, enjoying yourself. This is you not having any guilt of anything. Maybe you were carrying some guilt for a long time. You were carrying some burdens for a long time. But this is you giving up on all of those things. Okay, so yeah, which is very nice. Why is the Ace of Pentacles here for Libra? The Strength. Wow. Why is the Strength here for Libra? The Hierophant. So there could be something coming in towards you, like I said, long-term, stable, a new opportunity, a message of some kind, a relationship for some of you, a long-term connection. But you're being very strong through it all. You're showing a lot of grace. You're handling the situation very beautifully. This could also be a financial opportunity, like I said, which is coming towards you. It's very, from a very, in a very traditional way. So maybe you are being employed in a organization, some new employment opportunities maybe. But there's something long-term here which is, very abundant for you. So why is the Nine of Cups here for Libra? Why is the Nine of Cups here? The Devil. What is this Devil energy about? The King of Cups. So I think somebody here is trying to come towards you. This person is somebody who cannot let go of you. Okay, they are very addicted to you. They are very attached to you. They feel this pull towards you, which is why the Devil has come up here. Maybe, and this could be vice versa. You could also be feeling the same way about this person. So there's something about this person in this connection that you're not able to let go of. Okay, and this person, it looks like, is coming towards you to offer you something here, offer you their cup of love. But they're showing up as the King of Cups, so they are coming in with a lot of love, a lot of maturity, a lot of sensitivity, a very sensitive person also. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio maybe, or a Capricorn. So why is the Page of Pentacles here for Libra? The Eight of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles. What did I tell you? Work looks extremely good for you, Libra, in the month of December. I see you rising to new heights. I see you getting a lot of opportunities to work. I see you getting a lot of opportunities to earn a lot of money. You rising to a position, a place of power. Your money looks especially good. Why is the Two of Pentacles here for Libra? The Page of Wands and the Eight of Cups. So there could be something here that you are thinking of walking away from. Either an opportunity at work or maybe a person. This could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. and you are considering walking away from this person. This person seems to be a bit immature, very um, very surface level. Okay, this person is not somebody who you can trust for a stable long-term connection. Now this could be love or work. If this is work, this is something passionate that is not very stable. It does not have a stable ground. It could be something new, very raw, and maybe it's not working out for you, so you're thinking of walking away from this project. And if this is a person coming towards you, maybe it's, you know, like I said, this person is not very sure of their feelings. They are very impulsive, you know, so yeah, there is you are thinking of walking away from someone here. The death, yeah, so there is an ending here of some sort. So you're just considering if you should walk away and how you should do it. So there's some kind of juggling here with that. You're trying to make a decision of some sort. So yeah, Libra, this is what I have for you. Like I said, this is a quick peek into your December reading, so I'm not going to go into anything in detail. I just wanted to give you a glimpse of what is to be expected in the monthly reading, which I will put up very soon in starting from December 1st. But I hope this resonated with you, and I hope to see you in the monthly reading videos as well. But till then, take care, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, bye.